Let's do an almond nail with Fusion's new SculptLock Duo Easy Forms using soft white Easy Gel. The best bonder for Easy Gel is Cohesion, so I'm going to scrub 2 coats of that into the nail plate and let it air dry. Now I'm ready to apply the base gel to the edge of the base form and fit that underneath the natural nail, flash cure to set in place, then cure for 30 seconds in a hand lamp. Fill the top form with builder gel. Align the cuticle edge and slowly push down towards the fingertip. Go slow to control the pressure, flash cure to set in place, then fully cure for 60 seconds in a hand lamp. Remove the base form, then the top form, hand file the edges, and buff the surface. Now you are all ready for your design and top coat. This is by far the easiest way I've ever applied an extension, and I have a feeling it's going to change the entire nail industry.